Hi everyone, and some of you have asked me about calendars and how to accept a calendar invitation so that you can see it on your calendar. So as you can see in my inbox here, I've been invited by Mr. Stapleton, very nice of him, to his 6-1 meeting. So when I click on that invitation in my inbox, I'm given the option of accepting, of maybe going or just not, because for whatever reason I can't attend at that time. So I have to accept if I can take part. You can click maybe if you're not sure about the arrangements your family's made for that day, or you can say no if you're definitely not going. Now, I think it's important for you to say no if you can't, because then the teacher knows that it's difficult for you at that time, and they might take that into consideration later. It's also good because then they'll see that you've received the invitation, but they know you can't make it. And it's very, very different to just not having any information about you guys at all. So once you've accepted yes, you can delete that email because you don't need it anymore. And the next step is to check your calendar. Now, your calendar is basically at the top of the list of my calendars. So I've clicked Isabel Castro, that's my calendar. And Mr. Stapleton's kind invitation was for tomorrow at 12:30, and there you can see the invitation is there, and I can use it to program my day, which is very important, okay, because you need to know what meetings you've got. Let me know if there's any help that you need with any other part of your organization. I can make videos on most things. Let me know, and let me know how you're getting on.